Hello viewer, I'm Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll show you how you can buy Windows key in a very cheap price, that is maybe Windows 10 or Windows 11 key. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will suggest you to please visit my YouTube channel. You will find some awesome useful tutorial. Here you can see I had just created a video about how to get Spotify 4-month premium and how to get LinkedIn learning account in a free. Just visit my YouTube channel, you will find some awesome useful tutorials. Let's start this tutorial. First of all, you need to go to this icon, Windows icon, then go to this setting option, and here you can see the option update and security. Click on it, then go to activation. Here you can see I have installed Windows 10 Pro, and you can also see edition and activation. Windows is activated with your digital license linked to your Microsoft account, and if your Windows do not installed by any license and you are using now cracked version of Windows, then I will suggest you to use a license. These are the some of the license of Windows 11. Just if you buy from me, then I will give you this license, or you can simply buy from another one also. Just copy this license, then paste here and click on next button. Here you can see activate Windows. After that, just click on activate and your Windows will be activated. So I am not here going to install it. Click on cancel button to show you another Windows key. Suppose let's check this. Anyone, let's check this. You can click on this change product icon, click on paste button, and then click on next button. You can see to activate this product key, this device, you need to connect your organization activation service. Just click on activate and your Windows will be activated. These are the codes of Windows 11, and these are the Windows 10 key. Let's check anyone. Click on next. Here you can see activate was done. So if you are still watching this video, then I will suggest to please watch this complete video, and please visit my YouTube channel. And if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, like Prime Video account or World Facebook page or GitHub Student Developer Pack account or Skillshare 3-month, 2-month, 1-month account or Canva Premium for 1 month, 6 months, 12-month account or Grammarly Premium account or Office 365 key or account or Windows 10 11 key or edu mail or Moz Pro. I will provide you in a very cheap price. Just contact me on Instagram. And if you are looking for SEO tool, then I will suggest you to use bundledseo.com. Here is the website. Just go to bundledseo.com and scroll down. You will see 4 plan. First plan essential $10 and $15 and $30 and $49. In a $10 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Coolbot, Word AI and Ubersuggest, and in a $15 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Cooltest, Word AI, Ubersuggest, Majestic and many more tools. And if you use my coupon code, that is Vivas Malik, then you will get 20% discount. This is the coupon code. If you use my coupon code, then you will get 20% discount of any purchase. And if you are looking for any WordPress GPL version license, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a very cheap price, like newspaper Jana, ClickMag, extra or Woodmart, Job Career. These are the WordPress theme and plugin. are also available. Plugin Elementor, Rank Math Pro, DV, Monarch, Instantify. So if you need any GPL version, GPL license version, WordPress theme or plugin, you can contact me on Instagram, or if you need anything from this, you can also contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a very cheap price. So if you are still watching this video, then thank you for watching video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.